Before we move on to multiplication of algebraic expressions, we need to review the product law. In the standard form, the product law tells us that a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n gives us a raised to m plus n. Look at the product for a moment. The base in both the cases is the same. When we have a product of two numbers with the same base, we keep the base same and add the exponents over it. On a new page, let us look at an example of a monomial multiplied by a monomial. A monomial is a polynomial with just one term. Say we want to multiply 3x squared y with 5xy cubed. These are two monomials. Multiplying two monomials is very simple. We just need to make groups. But what kind of groups? We group constants and same variables with their powers. What does that mean? We have 3 and 5 as the constants here. So the first group will be 3 multiplied by 5. Next, we deal with the variables. Both the monomials have x and y as their variables. X squared here and x here. The next group will be x squared multiplied by x. Remember, we also consider the powers of the variables. We make groups of the same variables with their powers. The next group will be y multiplied by y cubed. Now all we have to do is solve each group. 3 times 5 is simple, it's 15. For these two groups, we use the product law. Let's look at this group first. The base is the same and the powers are 2 and 1. Using the product law, we write it as x raised to 2 plus 1. And similarly, we write this group as y raised to 1 plus 3. That's it, we're almost done. 15 cannot be modified further. This equals x cubed and this is y raised to 4. Multiplying these two monomials, we get 15x cubed y raised to 4.